Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. I just finished watching the new episode of Steven Universe, and I just want to do some fan art. Just a quick heads up, I won't be dropping any spoilers in this voiceover. Not that the voiceover is very long for the Sunday videos, but still. Yeah, I just wanted to draw Sunstone because they're a cool character. It was like a weirdly challenging character to sketch, as you can see in the video. I struggled a lot I think I'm just having a bit of a burnouty art block, but I'll work through it. I'll just take it easy for a bit and try and only do necessary stuff for a while, and then the mojo will come back. But I had a pretty intense week last week art wise, so yeah, maybe that's why. But yeah, definitely expect more Steven Universe fan art because there's still more things I want to draw. I really want to draw Obsidian as well. And yeah, and white. I want to draw White Diamond too. Yeah, I guess that's it. It's just a fun little sketch of a fun character. I just like their personality and stuff. It's pretty I don't know, it's just fun to me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.